Hello and welcome to Quick Learn University, where you can learn about anything in few precious minutes. Let's begin today's topic. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an enlightening discussion on the science of eating for health, fat loss, and lean muscle. I'm your host, Jenny. Today, we will unravel the secrets behind a balanced and nutritious diet that optimizes your overall well-being. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier you. Segment 1: Understanding Macronutrients. To lay the foundation, let's delve into the three macronutrients that form the building blocks of our diet: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Role of macronutrients. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support muscle growth and repair, and fats play crucial roles in hormone production and nutrient absorption. Balancing these macronutrients is key to achieving our health and fitness goals. Segment 2: Nurturing a healthy relationship with food. It's essential to foster a positive and balanced relationship with food. Let's explore the importance of mindful eating and understanding our body's signals. Mindful eating involves being fully present during meals, savoring each bite, and paying attention to hunger and satiety cues. This practice helps us make conscious food choices and build a healthy relationship with food. Listening to our body's signals allows us to eat in accordance with our true physiological needs. Segment 3: Balancing nutrient intake for fat loss. Achieving fat loss is a common goal for many. Let's explore how proper nutrition can aid in this process. Calorie deficit and nutrient density. To lose fat, we need to create a calorie deficit while ensuring nutrient density. This means consuming fewer calories than we expend while prioritizing foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's about quality over quantity. Segment 4: Building lean muscle with nutrition. For those seeking to build lean muscle, nutrition plays a vital role. Let's uncover the principles behind muscle growth and maintenance. Consuming an adequate amount of protein, along with a balanced diet, provides the building blocks necessary for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, timing meals and snacks strategically around workouts can optimize muscle recovery and protein synthesis. Segment 5: The power of nutrient timing. Nutrient timing refers to strategically planning our meals to optimize energy levels, performance, and recovery. Let's explore its significance. Pre- and post-workout nutrition. Consuming a balanced meal or snack before and after workouts can enhance performance, replenish glycogen stores, and promote muscle repair. It's like fueling your body's engine for optimal results. That brings us to the end of today's discussion on the science of eating for health, fat loss, and lean muscle. Remember, a balanced and mindful approach to nutrition can transform your body and enhance your overall well-being. Please implement what you learned today in your life for health and happiness. Thank you for joining. Please support us by subscribing and following us on all social media platforms so that we can create more contents like these. Thank you for watching Quick Learn University.